This is the world of Chicago right now. Lovely morning run in the rain. This is what we do. Want to feel alive. Want to feel good. The weather just doesn't define me. It's what I do with it. What I want to experience. You know what I'm experiencing? Joy. But I love this. Hope you all loving it too. And whatever you're doing, running, biking, some sport, some activity, but you're finding your life, you're living it, you're experiencing it, and you can't wait to do some more. All right, all. I got more to do. Living it, loving it. You enjoy it.